This is a GoPro. That's a DJI. You're never going to get that off with your hands. You need a tool. Counterclockwise will get this off. I'm going to show you an easy way to get it off. Small ones and medium ones don't fit, but this is a crescent wrench. What you do is basically open this up as wide as it can go. You don't want to damage your camera. You want to be able to get it over there, and then you're able to use it to turn it and get it off. Fingers are not the strongest in the world over a tool. I hope that helped. And you're not going to damage your camera if you do it right. Protect it. Put some cloth around it. Put a piece of rubber around it. Whatever you can do if you're having trouble getting off. Lefty, loosey. Righty, tighty. Follow the thumb.